Safari World. Safari World is located at 99 Panyantra Road, that is Soi Ramendra 109, in the area Samwata Wantok, that is Bangkok, Thailand. On the outskirts of Bangkok, Safari World offers a drive-through range for seeing by car or one of the park's coaches. A great day had by all. All the animal shows are timed so that you can see them all, and they all are good, especially the elephant painting show. I loved the tiger feeding and being able to pick what size tiger you would like to feed. Feeding tiger cubs is an awesome experience. One place which travelers should not miss is Safari World while being in Bangkok. A day seems too less to cover this huge area, and you would love to come back again and again. Safari World is a sightseeing in Bangkok, Thailand that consists of two parks named Central Park and Citizens Park, operated by Safari World Public Company Limited. The park was opened in 1988 with a total area of 480 acres for its open zoo and 180 acres for its bird park. A major renovation to enhance effectiveness of land use began on April 17, 1989, and its total area developed for the leisure park now consists of an open zoo and a marine park on 500 dry, that is approximately 200 acres of land. Safari Park is about 8 kilometers long. A drive through the park takes about 45 minutes. The ultimate safari experience features hundreds of animals from all over the world. There are a lot of wild animals including tigers and lions. There are daily tiger and lion feeding shows in the park itself. The marine park houses a vast spectrum of animal of land, sea and air. The attractions are Jungle Cruise River Ride, a water flume ride through the jungle of Africa and Asia. Seven exciting show daily spy war auction stunt spectacular water ski Dolphin Hollywood cowboy stunt bird orangutan boxing and sea lion. Hundreds of exhibits featuring white tigers, fantasy carp garden, tapir kingdom, crocodile garden and many others. The Safari have many choice for shows. Surprisingly, all the shows were great. Strongly recommend to family with young children or group of friends to go. Giraffe feeding is a nice experience for me. Wonderful open zoo in Bangkok is Safari World. A great out with family and friends. All day packed with various shows which are amazing and makes you inclined to look forward to the next show.
เอาล่ะถามหน่อยน้ำสิงครับเหนื่อยไหมครับไม่เหนื่อยเมื่อยไหมครับไม่เหนื่อยไม่เมื่อยเหงื่อแตกเต็มหน้าเลยหอมแก้มหน่อยขี้ไม่หอมครับเหนื่อยครับน้ำสิงเฮ้ยก็เป็นไปไหนเล่าทำไมออกเสียงไงมาดิมาดิอะไรไม่ได้ครับไม่ได้ครับดูแลนักมวยหน่อยครับครับลำดับต่อจากนี้ไปครับเราจะทำความรู้จักกับนักมวยนะครับขอเชิญพบกับคนแรกผมเลยโอ้โหพี่หมาผมเต้นเยอะเลยหน่อยเชิญด้านหน้าครับพี่หมาครับแต่เวทีเช็คแฮนด์ดีๆครับโอ้โหดังแล้วเล่นตัวพี่หมาปล่อยได้แล้วมาแหมว่าต้องจับนานนี่ครับ อ่าพี่หมันหมวกผมครับพี่หมันครับพี่หมันครับใส่ก็ใส่แล้วบอกครับพี่ครับใส่แล้วดูหน้าหน่อยครับหล่อไหมครับยิ้มหวานเอาคืนมาหมวกผมแล้วทำไมไปโยนทิ้งอ่ะพี่ใส่ไม่ดีพี่หมันล้อชิ่งมาเลยมันเจ็บแล้วพี่หมันรู้สึกหมวกวันนี้มีปัญหาครับขออนุญาตขอเจ้าที่เก็บหมวกก็ถึงท่านครับพี่ครับอ้าวมาแล้วน้องจอยจ๋าปาดหมวก
The open zoo was an amazing experience, and I could feel as if I was in the sets of Jurassic Park. This place is awesome. I salute the animal trainers for doing such a good, brilliant job. All the shows were fantastic, and I definitely enjoyed sightseeing at the park. The animals seems to be really well fed and taken good care of. Absolutely a recommended venue for family bonding and more. Dolphin Show and Sea Lion Show. When you will watch both these shows, you are bound to get a shock of the life as the dolphins and sea lions are so intelligent mammals that you are definitely going to fall in love with both these mammals called dolphin and sea lions. I was thrilled and excited when I watched YouTube videos, and when I actually got a glimpse of Safari World, it was speechless, enchanting beauty. For the first time ever, I witnessed some fascinating animal shows and open zoo. The tour starts with open zoo followed by animal shows in marine park as per itinerary. This full day trip is very much enjoyable for both adults and children. The shows are awesome, especially the orangutan, cowboy stunt and dolphin show. The open zoo is an awesome experience. Thailand's greatest and most popular open zoo is the Safari World. Covering over 200 acres, Safari World comprises of two main attractions, that is Safari Park and Marine Park. At the Marine Park, you can take a jungle cruise, see the white tiger exhibit, visit Adventure Island, or catch one of the many exciting shows, including a stunt show, dolphin show, or professional water skiing. And you will definitely fall in love with the shows performed by sea lions. It's simply fun loving. Everything rolls smoothly. Although the program didn't change for the last 8 years, it's a nice place to visit. And if you happen to be with your family and have come to Bangkok, visiting Safari World is a must because not only you but the entire family, including children, will fall in love with this zoo called Safari World.